natural potato chips production line from Atlas International. The process begins by washing fresh potatoes to remove sand and dirt, preparing them for automatic peeling. The potatoes are automatically peeled and inspected before slicing. A spiral conveyor aligns the potatoes before they enter the advanced slicer, giving you full control over the shape and thickness of every chip. The slices go through starch extraction and are washed in continuously filtered hot water, then completely dried by high-pressure air before frying. Deep frying takes place in an advanced heating system with continuous oil filtration and purification to ensure consistent product quality. Slide filters and mechanical shakers work together to efficiently remove any excess oil. After a quality check, the chips enter the flavoring drum, ensuring an even coating of seasoning before packaging. This production line is backed by multiple patents in its most precise and critical engineering components. Atlas International, Official Associate Member, European Snacks Association, ESA, driving innovation in snack manufacturing.